Hi guys, hi YouTube, hi lovely viewers, welcome to Lady T TV channel. I want to welcome all my new and old subscribers. Thank you all for your love and kindness. So today's video is about this unboxing of Samsung A41. This phone is a great phone, and this is a smartphone, and it was on sale. I got it, the price was let's call it 300, because they gave me 10 cents after I gave them 300 euro. So this phone, what do I have to say about the phone? The phone is lovely, beautiful and elegant. It's just like Samsung S9, S8, S9, but the camera is great. I love it. So it has Wi-Fi, 4G length, NFC, GPS, and the photo camera is 48 megapixels, and this is Android 10, and this is wonderful, guys. And the memory inside is 64 GB. Yes guys, this phone is must have. This is great for filming outside, doing vlog. Even this is great for YouTubers. You don't need to the volume is so loud and bright, the color is bright, so I love it. So guys, let me know what you think about this unboxing of Samsung A41. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I've been using Samsung S9, S8 Pro, but this one, I think it's like Samsung S. Yes, it's very bright and very slim too. For my lovely sexy ladies, this phone is very elegant. So watch and see the finish unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. I love you. Ciao, 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 ciao.